Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on Python. As we have gone through many videos on speech recognition such as Python speech recognition using Hindi, Python speech recognition using today's current date, Python speech to text and text to speech, and many more videos on natural language processing in machine learning using Python. Today's video is about chatbots using ChatterBot. So I will explain ChatterBots in brief. ChatterBots library combines language corporate, text processing, machine learning, algorithm and data storage and retrieval to allow you to build flexible chatbots. Here training is done with relevant data. So today's video is all about Chatbot. So I will show you the code first, detail. So importing required library needed for the program. Then Chatbot. When I will infinite loop is there while true. If I want to exit while loop, then I will quit or exit, whatever button, whatever I will type, that will exit. So unless and for this prompt will be there for chatting and a query. If exit, then break, else chatbot with this green tree or this greenery will be displayed. Now I will execute the program because it will take some time because training is done to relevant data. Yes. Now I will type, hi, how are you? Yes. Are you a plant? Yes. Can you chat? I feel awesome. Then how are you? Cool. Yes. So I have successfully done with chatbot in Python using ChatterBot. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on artificial intelligence in Python. Thanks for watching.